I'm Andrew Whean, Sales Associate at Top Line Trailers and Equipment Sales. Today we're going to be doing another video on the Baumalight series, this time the WRL58G tire unit stand-on miniature skid steer. Now as you can see around me, it is very snowy out. We're in the middle of Canadian winter, so I figured we'd show you one of the special implements specifically designed for this, the hydraulic 46-inch snowblower. It is compatible with both Baumalight units, the tire unit and the track unit, and I thought I'd just give you guys a demonstration today on how this thing works and just how awesome it is. So today I'm going to give you guys a quick demonstration on how this thing starts up. So this particular unit is powered by a gasoline Honda GX690 engine. I've had it running for a little bit already, so it should be sort of nice and easy. The choke. All right. So in the previous video, we did not go over hydraulic system. So this lever is for the turns on the hydraulics. If I lift this up, turn that on. This here is the PSI for the oil, and this here device will power the chute. So if I do this, you can see that the chute itself turns. We're going to be shooting it this way though. Alright, now when using this implement, you want to keep it at maximum RPM. All right, as you can see, this unit is actually quite narrow. It's 46 inches. Well, the unit itself is 40 inches. The snowblower is 46 inches. It's perfect for sidewalks, getting into tight spaces, little driveways, doesn't matter. This thing can do it. It can turn on a dime. You don't need a lot of room to maneuver. So this here is the Baumalight WRL58G along with the WIFO 46-inch snowblower. Leave a like and a comment. Let us know what you think of this unit. It's pretty awesome in my personal opinion, but that's up to you. Thanks for watching.